What's going on, YouTube? We're back at the ranch here in the barn tonight, and we're going to be changing Old Skunk's oil on the 2020 110 here.
Probably pretty black.
We're going to show you what you need. It's really easy. So yeah, this is what you need. You need 8 mil for skid plate, 12 mil for the skid plate, 17 for the drain bolt, 2 quarts of 1040 oil, and a filter. That's it. Let's get it to work. Alright, so we got 4 bolts holding the skid plate on, an 8mm right here, same spot on the other side, and then 2 12s underneath in the back. Cut the clip. And then your 2 12s at the back.
You want the drain pan?
Alright, next step is take your drain bolt out, grab your 17, it's right here on the bottom. Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Strip it if you're...
Nice ton.
Come on. Let's look at how
Zip
black
it,
that
Skunky.
oil is. It's probably pretty black.
Get it threaded all the way out while still holding pressure. And then in one swift motion, you pull away.
Oh my god.
You don't get any oil on your fingers. Oh, that's mint!
That had like 3 more rides on it!
At least 3 more rides. It's still dark gold.
Minor metal shavings?
No metal shavings. Maybe they were right on the 20. Alright, once the oil's all drained out, put a fresh washer on.
Yeah, that's fresh wash.
And then thread it back in.
By hand, of course.
You don't gotta go. Oh, that's loosening. Doesn't have to be crazy tight, just snug.
Snug as a bug in a
Alright, once your drain bolt's back in, we're gonna take the oil filter out. So you got 2 8 mils holding your housing on.
Look at that thing. Goosed. How dirty is it?
I don't know.
Dude, that had like 4 more rides on it. I'm kind of mad.
It did. Alright, so once your filter's out, take your housing. Just get it nice and clean, get all the dirt and stuff out of there. Use pretty clean if you got it. Same thing with your O-ring. Make sure that gets all clean.
Wipe it down, wipe it down.
Wipe it down, but make sure there's still oil on it. And then lastly, just clean out your engine where your filter goes in the surface.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Alright, so once all that's clean, now take your O-ring, put it in the filter housing, in the groove right there, just like that. Take your filter, O-ring goes on the motor, stick it on there just like that, and then put your housing back on.
Come on, Skunky. What are you doing?
Snug it up.
2 cans sand.
I need a lift, man. You can run them down with the gun and then just
Snug them up.
snug them up by hand. Skunky knows what's good.
No, I don't do bike work. I usually
What was that? Oh, another chunk of dirt. That one's good. Alright, now we gotta fill it up. 1.1 quarts. So,
pour the whole thing in there.
dump the
full,
first one in.
Full goose.
Full goose right there.
And then, is the drain plug leaking yet?
You put the cap back on your funnel so you don't make a mess. Because you have a cap for your funnel.
And then you just put a sconch and a half in. You need this one there.
And then you put your little fill plug back in.
Let it sit.
Alright, so next thing you're going to do is just start up for a couple seconds to get the oil through the engine. And then lastly, just clean out your engine. Make sure that gets all clean. And then you just put your housing back on. Alright, so once all that's clean, now take your O-ring, put it in the filter housing, and then put your housing back on. And then once your housing is clean, just clean out your engine.
push. It must be brand new.
Just for a few seconds. Alright, so once you've ran it, get your buddy over here to hold the bike up straight.
Oh god, yeah.
Come down here, look at your sight glass. You have a mark here and here, and you want to be in the middle. So we're towards the bottom half. So we're gonna take our second quart of oil. Just fill it up a little bit.
No funnel needed.
Oh, no problem, Jack. A little more.
This kid's a mechanic.
And then pop your fill plug in and repeat that process. Look at that.
Dial.
We're towards the top actually, so we're full.
That's what we
Perfect. Make sure that your filter's not leaking and your drain plug isn't leaking. And once you know that those are all good, you can toss your skid plate back on. So you're gonna go to put the skid plate on. You got two different size 8s. The longer ones for the left side and the shorter ones for the right. And then obviously 2 12s go here in the back. One thing that you should do is put them all in loosely before you tighten them up, or else you just won't be able to put it on. Simple as that. Skunky's gonna give me a hand holding there too. Look at that.
Imagine that. Here, give me the other, give me the other skunk skin here. Look at that. You gotta do my bike. But I don't even work on it. Oh, little cross thread never hurt nobody.
Hey, tight is tight.
There.
Alright.
Send her
Then
home.
you send them home.
Full goose here.
Good.
She's tight. Tight is right. Remember that. The old 12 for the backside here.
Once those are tight, you're ready to rip.
Let's go for a ride.
That's it.